What's up, y'all? It's J&K Nation back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a mukbang. So let's get into it. So we ordered Zaxby's, and why is your face like that? Okay. And anyway, so we got buffalo wings and buffalo chicken tenders, and then we got fries. I got Zax sauce. I got
tongue torch sauce, just because. And then we got Dr. Pepper.
But yeah.
And so we have some questions on Instagram.
Okay.
So we're just gonna take turns with it. But yeah,
You go first.
okay. Oh shoot. Okay. First question is, how y'all feel about COVID-19?
I don't like it.
Why?
Because, I mean, we can't. You can barely do anything. The heck? Why?
Thanks.
Why?
I don't like it because I can't see my friends, and I miss my friends.
Aww.
I know. And there's a wasp.
Where?
It's over there. But
Look at Holly.
oh
Yeah. Wow.
well,
Wow.
there's a wasp. There's like 3 of them.
I mean, do you want to go inside? Or do you want to stay here? I think we should go inside.
Yeah. Okay, we'll come back to you guys.
Okay, guys, so we are back. Sorry, we had a little malfunction outside.
Yeah.
We don't really like wasp, and so, yeah. It's just, look at the ring light in my, okay. So back to this. So, what were we on?
About why we don't like COVID.
Oh, well, we already basically talked about that.
Because we can't see our friends,
Yeah.
and it just sucks.
Yeah.
Right now I'm having some difficulty cutting up my chicken. But next question is, what is your dream car?
My dream car is a red convertible. Yeah, a red convertible Camaro. Yeah. And it doesn't matter what model, but I like the 2019. But the only thing is, it's low to the ground.
And she's short, so she's gonna be late.
No, I can push the seat up. I'm saying, like, whenever you get out, it's like so low.
No, but you can't. You can only push the seat up so much.
I know. I can sit on one leg.
Get a booster
Check
seat.
not.
Get a booster seat. I want an all-white Jeep Wrangler with red interior and accents.
An all white Jeep.
What?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Next.
Is
What's your type in guys?
honestly, I don't care.
I will be right back.
Like, I've dated one guy, and he was like brown skin. So, I don't discriminate. I date all races. So yeah, I just haven't gotten the opportunity to date any other race because nobody wants me because I'm ugly. But yeah. We love the single life, but we also hate it.
Huh?
Go ahead.
What'd you say? We love what?
We love the single life, but we also hate it.
Who is we?
Me.
And who else? Not me. I like
Some of
it.
them.
I like it too. So my typing guys, light skins, curly hair. Yeah, and they gotta have good teeth. Their teeth can't be messed up.
We like us some nice pearly whites.
Yeah.
And y'all gotta keep maintaining y'all fingernails, cause I know some of y'all be growing y'all stuff out like that for like there's nail clippers for a reason, baby. But next question. Pet peeves.
What's our biggest pet peeves? I don't like heights, but I mean, my
That's
biggest
a fear.
pet peeve. My biggest pet peeve is like when like anything that scratches something that's not supposed to be scratched, and it's like like a chalkboard.
The sound.
Yeah, the sound.
One of my biggest pet peeves are I hate hearing people eat. Like if you smacking, stop. If you smacking, you ain't it.
Guess I'm not it.
I'm gonna have to exclude you from my table. Y'all can see that.
She's clumsy. You know.
Yeah. What else?
My biggest pet peeve also. I'm a messy eater, but anyway, my biggest pet peeve when people lie. Yeah.
Whenever you act a different way around like different people, like if you're around me and you have to chill, and then 5 seconds later we're around some other people and then you start acting all crazy, acting like you don't know me, that ain't it. So I'ma just leave. Or if you're in my house, you can just leave.
You're not gonna kick nobody out, versus.
What grade are you guys in?
I'm in 8. I was about to say. I'm in 8.
Freshman.
You ain't gotta say it that many times.
I was saying it the first time, second time I was pointing to my shirt. Yeah.
What are we mixed with? We are mixed with black and white.
Simple as that. Why are we so ugly? It's like, no,
Baby,
I'm ugly.
I'm not ugly. I don't care what y'all say.
Yeah. Why are y'all so small? Go ahead.
We're just small because our dad's small. Like skinny small. We are skinny because our dad's skinny.
Okay, how tall are you, Q?
I'm 5 foot, like 5 foot or 5'1".
I'm 5'1.5" to 5'2". Just depends.
I'm catching up to her.
We're just small because our mom is short. She's like 5'3". She's small, not like this. She's like regular, but
What is this?
you need to move up your mouth.
I just said I'm a messy eater.
Cause to Padre, your Padre, like he's 6 foot, but obviously we didn't get the height. But yeah.
Oh, I'm a girl. I'm already 6 foot 2.
I'm 6'10", so come at me.
No, you're not.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Let me go get a napkin.
I'm drinking Dr. Pepper.
I'll resume.
I'm drinking Dr. Pepper, so that's why I'm burping.
But yeah. Okay, pretend she just burped. Okay. You need to eat. Need to eat.
But yeah. What else? We are gonna be posting once a week. Hopefully.
I'm gonna get her to do the smack her fact challenge, but you know she doesn't wanna because she thinks I'm gonna smack her too hard.
No, because
I'm aggressive. Yes, ma'am, I am. Ooh, bars.
But no, because she
Just aggressive.
No, because she will hit you 10 times harder than you hit her. You tap her, she go. So,
Exactly, I'm aggressive.
so that's why I don't be doing stuff for her.
Well, we're gonna do it.
Maybe.
No, we're gonna do it.
Maybe.
We are. Like, comment, and subscribe.
I have 619 followers.
And she only gets 3 likes.
Show it. Actually, I have 600 likes altogether.
In my face.
It's the reading late, but yeah. And go like them, cause yeah.
Cause she needs it. On the other hand, I get like 20 likes. 20 to 30. Anyway.
Excuse me.
Anyway.
Ooh.
So we're gonna be doing some more challenges.
Yeah. Comment anything you want us to do. Any questions you have for us. And we'll see you guys in our next video. J&K Nation, we out this thing.
Boom.